Creating faceless content usually means juggling a bunch of different tools. But today, I'm going to show you two awesome all-in-one platforms for creating professional quality videos. Say hello to Pictory AI and Fliki AI.
The future of AI holds endless possibilities. It could transform how we live and work. Doctors may catch illnesses earlier, and cities could become smarter and more energy efficient. AI is now a part of everyday life.
The Dragon's Redemption. The night sky glows red with danger while a frightened woman holds her baby tightly. Suddenly, a golden red dragon flies out of the thick smoke. The dragon extends its massive claws, lifting them just as the burning rooftop collapses. With a powerful flap of its wings, it lifts baby, leaving the mother behind.
But before we get started, make sure you hit that subscribe button and click on the bell icon. First up, we have Pictory AI. With Pictory, you can convert text to video, URL to video, and even PowerPoint to video, which includes royalty-free clips selected from visual library of million of assets. Today, we're going to start by focusing on the script to video feature, and I'll also give you a brief overview of the other options. Let's start with one of Pictory's most powerful features, script to video. Paste your prepared script or type it directly into the editor. What I recommend here is to structure your script into clear sections, an introduction, body, and conclusion, so that Pictory AI can automatically break it into scenes accurately. For example, if I were creating a video on the future of artificial intelligence, so I write the introduction as the future of AI holds endless possibilities. It could transform how we live and work. The body of my script is doctors may catch illnesses earlier, and cities could become smarter and more energy efficient. AI is now a part of everyday life, reshaping industries and connections worldwide. And conclusion is, with so much investment, AI is here to stay. You can also highlight the key phrases in your script, and the AI will automatically pick the best visuals for those moments. So, after you're satisfied with your script, hit the Proceed button. Pictory AI will now generate a storyboard, each scene paired with suggested visuals and text captions. At this point, Pictory AI's powerful AI will automatically generate a storyboard, pairing each scene with relevant visuals and text captions. You can even customize the video orientation by switching between landscape, portrait, or square, depending on your platform's requirements. Now let's preview the initial video generated by Pictory AI. I can only see the clips and captions. Where's the audio? Let's talk about sound, the heartbeat of your video. On your storyboard, navigate to the left-hand menu and click on the Audio tab. Within the audio section, choose Background Music to explore Pictory's extensive library of royalty-free tracks. Once you've found a suitable track, click Apply to add it to your project. I will choose Witness to ensure your background music doesn't overpower other audio elements. Go to the Audio tab and select Audio Settings. Use the slider to adjust the volume to your preference. You can record your own voice in real time or can upload a pre-recorded file. You can also choose from AI-generated voices by ElevenLab. Browse through the available AI voices, which include both premium and standard options. Once you've chosen a voice, hover over it and click Generate and Apply to add it to your video. I will choose Annabelle. Pictory will automatically create and sync the voiceover with your video. No editing skills needed. Once the process reaches 100%, your voiceover is ready. Let's preview the video again.
The future of AI holds endless possibilities. It could transform how we live and work. Doctors may catch illnesses earlier, and cities could become smarter and more energy efficient. AI...
It's impressive. I see a lot of text in this clip. If a scene feels too crowded, you can split it into multiple scenes for better readability. Go back to Storyboard. It's the third scene. Simply place your cursor where you want the split and click the Split button. If you later decide to change the visual in a split scene, just unlink the current clip and select a new one. So how can you change this clip or any other clip? Simply click on a scene to open its customization options and go to Visuals tab. You can search for new visuals by entering keywords like future of AI. Pictory's vast library offers millions of royalty-free images and video clips to choose from. If you have a specific style in mind, just select the clip that best aligns with your vision. This not only enhances your video's engagement, but also ensures that the final product reflects your brand and message perfectly. You can also customize your captions using the Styles tab. This allows you to choose from a variety of themes, adjusting fonts, colors, and transitions to match your content's vibe. Select a style that aligns with your brand identity. Before finalizing your video, take a moment to review it. Click on Preview to watch your video from start to finish. Pay close attention to timing. Ensure smooth transitions between scenes. Check if the narration aligns correctly with the scene's visuals. Make sure the visuals match your script's message. If you spot anything that needs adjusting, simply return to the editing panel and make the necessary tweaks. This step guarantees a polished, professional final product. Let's preview the final video.
The future of AI holds endless possibilities. It could transform how we live and work. Doctors may catch illnesses earlier, and cities could become smarter and more energy efficient. AI is now a part of everyday life, reshaping industries and connections worldwide. With so much investment, AI is here to stay.
Wow, that looks incredible! By now, you should have a solid grasp of how to use Pictory AI's script-to-video feature. If you're eager to try it yourself, I've included a sign-up link in the description. It's free to get started. For those considering an upgrade, which I highly recommend, a paid plan removes the Pictory watermark and grants access to millions of royalty-free videos from Storyblocks. This is the pricing structure for Pictory AI. And as a bonus, you can use this special code at checkout to save 20% on any plan. Next up is the URL to video feature. This powerful tool lets you convert any blog post into an engaging video. Simply paste your blog URL into the interface. Pictory AI extracts the key points from your article, transforming them into a storyboard of visual scenes. Next comes AI Video Editor. Simply click to proceed and upload your video or audio file up to 1 GB. Now for creating the highlights, I will select the script and click on Add to Highlights. With the Visuals to Video feature, simply upload your files, arrange them in the desired order, and let Pictory AI do the rest. This is perfect for product showcases, event recaps, or even personal slideshows. Pictory's PPT to video feature allows users to convert PowerPoint presentations into engaging videos. The Record Yourself feature provides an integrated solution for capturing video and screen recordings. Users can record themselves, their screens, or both simultaneously, making it suitable for tutorials, vlogs, or presentations. Once recorded, the content can be edited and enhanced within Pictory's platform. The tool we are exploring next is Fliki AI. First up, we're going to create a cinematic movie trailer, which is super trendy nowadays. I'll provide a scenario and then transform my idea into a stunning video using the idea prompt feature. Here's how it works. You simply input your prompt. For example, my prompt could be about a woman holding her baby on the rooftop of a burning building, and a dragon comes to rescue her. I'll also specify that I want consistent characters throughout, with transitions and effects between scenes. Feel free to pause and explore this in more detail. You can choose the duration of your movie trailer, ranging from 30 seconds to 15 minutes, which is awesome. Plus, if you want to add any additional documents or details, you can easily do that too. Next, you'll define the tone, purpose, and audience for your film. Select these fields based on your needs. After that, choose the aspect ratio for your clip. Here's something cool. There are 50 voice language options, so you can pick the one that suits your audience best. You can also customize your trailer by selecting stock clips or having AI generate special clips for you. You can even define the genre and add an AI avatar in the intro or outro of your trailer if you want. It's all based on your personal preferences. From the brand kit You can customize the video by adding your logo, colors, custom text, or even a custom voice. Once you're all set, you'll see a detailed script along with the heading for your film. You can easily edit or adjust it as needed. Then, the tool will automatically generate background music, visuals, and voiceovers for your trailer. This is the default film from the AI-generated images.
A roaring inferno consumes the skyscraper as a desperate woman clutches her baby, the night sky glowing red with danger. Thick, suffocating smoke rises, leaving no hope in sight.
Now here you can edit anything from voiceover to text or script, and can also generate videos from these images. You can change the size or font of the text, or even can add animations to it. Now, for example, about the first scene, this is the prompt Fliki automatically write to generate this image. And it also allows us to create a video for this image. Similarly, we can generate videos from any images. And this is the video from the image. You can also edit the script, like whatever you want. From here, you can edit the voiceover for your film. You can choose any male or female voice. Now I suggest you to spend some time here and adjust everything you dreamed in your movie trailer. And trust me, it does not need any hard editing skills. From here, you can also edit the subtitles. Once you're done, be sure to watch the clip again to review your changes. Once you're completely satisfied with your trailer, simply download it, select the resolution, and export. You can even download the subtitles if you need them. And there you have it. Now let's preview the Dragon's Redemption trailer.
The Dragon's Redemption. The night sky glows red with danger while a frightened woman holds her baby tightly. Suddenly, a golden red dragon flies out of the thick smoke. The dragon extends its massive claws, lifting them just as the burning rooftop collapses. With a powerful flap of its wings, it lifts baby, leaving the mother behind. Don't miss this amazing story where bravery meets fate in The Dragon's Redemption.
It's insane. Can you believe it? We just created this blockbuster movie trailer together. From the clips to the voiceover, background music to sound effects, and of course, the captions. Everything turned out just perfect. Next, let's see how to create a complete faceless video on any random topic. I have this script on a healthy lifestyle. You can write a script up to 30 minutes. So I'll paste it here. Since I'm making a video, I'll select the 16:9 aspect ratio and choose stock media for the visuals. The next step is the same as before. Fliki will review the script and compile the visuals, audio, and effects. Now we're back in the editor. Let's preview the default version.
Steps to boost energy and happiness through a healthy lifestyle. Want more energy, a sharper mind, and a happier life? It all starts with a healthy lifestyle.
Next, I'll tweak the gap between scenes to 0.2 seconds for a quicker flow and change the voiceover to a female voice. After going through all the scenes and making a few more tweaks, I'm done. I'll export and download the video, then preview the final result.
Steps to boost energy and happiness through a healthy lifestyle. Want more energy, a sharper mind, and a happier life? It all starts with a healthy lifestyle. Fuel your body with the right foods. Choose fresh, whole ingredients, fruits, veggies, lean proteins, and whole grains. Remember, what you eat shapes how you feel. And don't forget, hydration is key. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Move your body every day, whether it's a morning walk, yoga, or hitting the gym. Prioritize rest. A good night's sleep helps you recharge. And don't forget, meditation, journaling, and gratitude can boost mental clarity and happiness. A healthy lifestyle isn't about restrictions. It's about balance and feeling your best. Start today and unlock the best version of you.
This is the default video generated by Fliki, and it's totally engaging. Here's the pricing structure. While it does cost a few dollars, but trust me, it's totally worth it. Whether you're a beginner content creator or a seasoned professional, Fliki can turn all your ideas into reality. Plus, to make it even better, you can get 10% off any of the plans by using my promo code below. It's a win-win situation. You can even design thumbnails for your videos right inside Fliki AI. No need for extra tools. I'll start by selecting a blank file, naming it, and creating a thumbnail for my healthy lifestyle video. I'll set the aspect ratio to 16:9 and submit it. Next, on the first page, I'll go to Media and enter my thumbnail prompt, which I actually generated using ChatGPT. I'll simply paste it in and hit generate. And wow, that looks really good. If you're not satisfied, you can regenerate the thumbnail or tweak the prompt until you get the perfect one. I really like this one, so I'll use it and export it in my preferred format. This is amazing. I can do everything within Fliki without needing to switch between different apps. To wrap it up, both Pictory AI and Fliki AI are powerful all-in-one platforms for creating faceless content. Pictory AI is great if you're looking to turn scripts or URLs into professional videos using stock footage. On the other hand, with Fliki AI, you can generate unique AI video clips based on your own ideas, plus use stock content too. With Fliki, you can create your own custom video thumbnails, which Pictory doesn't support. Voiceover-wise, Pictory integrates with 11 Labs for ultra-realistic voices, while Fliki comes with built-in voice options, plus the awesome ability to clone your own voice. If we talk about pricing, Pictory's starter plan is $25, but with my 20% off promo code, you get it for just $20. Fliki's starter plan is $28, and with my 10% off promo code, it drops to $25.20. So really, it's a win-win. Just depends on what you need for your content creation journey. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials,